Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor, and we are at a different Dollar Tree near my home. So let's take a look, guys. So they have the Easter eggs here, and they have the big Easter egg here, and here is a bunny. So here's the basket shape, and there's the bunny. They also have these metal stakes that you can stick in the ground, and look at this. Isn't that adorable? It's a little Easter basket, and there's the bunny here. Here's the Easter sign blessing, some Easter egg garlands, and I'm loving this, the bunny garland. Guys, you can do so much crafts with these. And look at this, the pink and the blue bunny. Here's the faith sign, and then this is like the wind chime. Okay, they have it in the purple egg and the blue egg. And look, they have the purple bunny and bunny kisses and Easter wishes. And then they have that one. They have the little area rugs. Very nice, guys. So I like these. So here's the rabbit on the bike, and here is the the bunny butt in the truck, and there it is in the blue. That one says hippity hop, and these are really cute. I like that one. Here's the gnome. Okay, and there's the rest of the Easter signs. Here are the florals, guys. Now let's come on over here and see what they have. So they have a lot of the nautical stuff in the this little fairy garden area here. A lot of it is nautical. I'm loving it. Look at this one, says ice cream. And there's the mermaid and the seahorse. I think that's so cute. So now they have the camper. Okay, and then here are some of the fairy garden figurines. Here's a lobster. They're so cute. All right, let's go see. So this is something I had not seen before, and it's a table runner. This was in the bunnies. Somebody just shoved it there, but that is new to the Dollar Tree. Then they have all of these stuffers for the kids and also the crafts. So over here you see the cross frame. There's the Easter egg frame. And I like these. These are the little Looney Tunes. Little stuffers there, and these are the kind of paint sets they have for the kids. Here it is in the ceramic. So I'm really loving these. These are the little embellishment ornaments. There's 14 in this one. And the paw pad, oh my goodness, how adorable is that? Here's the chick. These are so cute. So I like the chick, and these are my favorite too, the bunnies. And here are the Easter eggs, 14 in the bag. And here's the chicks, 14 in the bag. Look at the carrots. I don't know why I'm obsessed with the carrots this year. So we have the chicks here, the Easter egg ornaments. Here's some more carrots, bunnies. And these are the letters. Here's the bunny butt. And here is the bunny. So you have the bunny wood cutouts. I like these wood cutouts. So the Easter eggs and the bunny. Then you have some more of these wood cutouts. These are nice for the kids to stay busy. Along the top you have all of the coloring books. Let's see. So we have the gnome, we have the truck, and here's the bunny butt. That one I hadn't seen, and the Easter one is over there. So here is the bunny right here. Then they have this kind of craft here, the rock painting, carrot patch. These are so cute because they're 2 for $1. And they come in colors. Then you have these eggs, more carrots, and these are the pom-poms. So the pom-poms were coming in small, medium, and large. I think these are the large ones. And then these are the bunny paw picks. So here are the picks with the Easter eggs, and then you have the Easter Christmas trees. I call them Christmas trees, but it's just a bunny tree. Here are the picks. And I'm absolutely loving these eggs when they come like this, because And you can just go ahead and give them a coat of paint like you like. And here are the bunnies. So these are the eggs in the 2 sizes. And these guys are absolutely adorable with the jute twining colors. And here's the ones that are already painted. They're the golden eggs. The jars. Here's the stand-up bunny. That's so cute. Okay, so I don't want to knock any more stuff over. Here's your ribbon and these Easter eggs. So here's the bunny butt decor, guys. Isn't that adorable? Pink and blue. Here's the beads, and then I'm loving the bunny moss. Some more of these foam shapes for the kids. And look at this. I don't think I've seen this one. These are adorable. So these guys I haven't seen. Adorable, and I like that purple. Craft yarn kit. Here are the gnomes. Here's the paw pad and felt. And the chicks and the lamb. And then you have, here's all the ribbon. And then we have some of this cottontail cotton candy. So that's pretty much it. On this side over here we have all of the Easter candy, and that's pretty much it as far as this area right here. The florals are in front of me. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.